Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see the project title. The title of the project is a generalized flow-based method for analysis of implicit relationship on Wikipedia. Let us see the abstract. Wikipedia is a free encyclopedia written collaboratively by the people who use it. It is a special type of website designed to make collaboration easy. Many people are constantly improving Wikipedia, making thousands of changes per hour. All of these changes recorded in the article histories and recent pages. The Wikipedia can available in many languages. Generally, the Wikipedia gives the relationship between the two objects. We can search more objects in the Wikipedia. The Wikipedia can analyze and give the two types of relationships. They are implicit relationship and explicit relationship. The explicit relationship contains a single link between the two objects, so it considers the single link and produces linked information or linked in the single page. The two objects given is analyzed, and then the explicit relationship for the two objects is got from the two pages for single link only. The existing system contains only about the explicit relationship, which is that the relationship between the two objects is considered in the single link with the two pages links. And also the existing system underestimates the objects, those which have high relationship between them. The proposed system introduced a novel method called a generalized flow-based method for the implicit relationship. The implicit relationship is considered as the relationship between the two objects considered as the multiple links. The proposed system brings all the related pages with links in a single page. So, the proposed system cannot underestimate the relationship between the two objects. The results of the proposed system shows that the relationship measured by the proposed system does not underestimate the relationship between the two objects. Let us see the flow of the project. At first, we should load the dataset. Here, we used the Wikipedia dataset. The Wikipedia dataset contains the three attributes. They are namely the names of the objects and their corresponding probabilities. The data extraction is needed here because the raw data is in the text format, so we cannot process with the text files, because searching of a single word in a text file requires a large amount of code set. So the data set is extracted and then it is loaded in the backend, that is the SQL server. Then the data pre-processing is done. The data pre-processing is the initial step of the data mining processes. For the data pre-processing, here the unwanted data is removed. The unwanted data in this sense, the data which are replicated many times in the data set is removed. Next, the gain function calculation. In the gain function, the word categorization is done. The word categorization in the sense, the word which belongs to the current word is categorized. Then the gain function categorize, and then the distinct words are generated. The distinct words in the sense, the replicated words are calculated as one time. Then the word's frequency is calculated. The frequency in the sense, the occurrence of a word in the word set is calculated. Then the implicit relationship finding is done. The implicit relationship is found for a word by choosing it. The corresponding words are related by the ranking the related words with their probabilities. Then the explicit relationship is also found according to the word ranking process. Here also the ranking process is done by the probability Let us see the demo of the project. Dataset loading form. Here first we should choose the data. So here we use the Wikipedia dataset which is in the text format. We just open it and the current content of the dataset is showed here. So here relationship between the two objects is defined here as a probability value. Then we press the next. So here dataset is first loaded, then extracted. So when we click this extracted, the dataset is loaded to the backend, that is SQL server. So when we click the view data, the dataset loaded in the database is showed here. So then we click the dataset information, the dataset information is showed. So when we click the next button, at first we should display the dataset. Then the duplication removal. Here the duplication removal performs the removal of the duplication, that is if two words are replicated, we should remove the words from the dataset. Then we click the remove duplication, that we can get the duplication removed message. So here the duplication removed dataset is when we click the button view duplication remove. When we press the next button, it will redirect to the next process. Here the dataset is loaded, so we can get the success message. The next pre-processing step. The pre-processing step eliminates lower frequency words. When we press the next button, it will redirect to the next form. So here we first get the distinct words. Here the gain function calculation is applied here. So when we click the distinct words generation, it will generate the distinct words in the data. We need distinct words to find the frequencies. So here next the frequency calculation is done. When we click the button frequency calculation, we can get the success message. Then when we click the show frequencies, the corresponding frequencies for the each word is shown. So when we click the next button, next words categorization page will be displayed. So when we click the view words categorization button, it will show the distinct words in the data set. So the data set contains these kind of distinct words, and when we click word, we can get the corresponding words, that is the word energy contains the relationship with these three words. So only it shows the three words and with their probabilities. So when we click next button, it will redirect to the next page. So here when we click the load data, it will load the total words in the data set. I have chosen psychology word, and we can find both explicit relationship and implicit relationship. So we first find the implicit relationship for the psychology. So when we click the implicit relationship, it will redirect to the implicit relationship finding page. So at first, to find the implicit relationship, we should perform the ranking process. So perform the ranking process, we should first display the selected word. So next we have click the before ranking button. So when we click the before ranking button, it will show corresponding words for the psychology. So here it is displayed as with the probability values. So psychology has the relationship with these words and with the probability. So we should perform the ranking. Then by clicking the after ranking, it will show the rank word sets. So the implicit relationship get connected with these type of words only according to the rank. So when we click the next button, it will redirect to the next page. So first we should generate the network. We can see the selected word is psychology, and the word sets here displayed as the node, that is each word is a node. Here the words are displayed as the numbers, that corresponding word is displayed here. For example, for node name 1, the word is corresponding word is galaxy. When we click the show notes button, it will redirect to the next. So when we click the show notes, here the corresponding notes for the psychology is displayed here. Here first word is the psychology, that is displayed here, and when we click the connect nodes button, it will connect the nodes according to the rank and see the connection, how the connection goes. So these connections are getting connected according to the rank connected word. So here the words are connected according to the rank. So next we should find the explicit relationship. To find the explicit relationship, we should first load the data, then we should choose any one word from the word set and click the explicit relationship. So likewise, we should first form the network. So here the selected word is displayed here. The selected word is computer. Then we should click the show values. The values are shown here. So here also the words are displayed as the name for the buttons and the names are displayed as the numbers. Then when we click the show note, it will redirect to the show notes page. The computer has linked with 4 nodes. When we click the connect nodes, it will connect according to the rank. So when we click the show connected words, it will show the words which are connected. The graph shows the probability values for the corresponding words. Here the word chosen is psychology. So in the x-axis the corresponding words is shown, and the y-axis the corresponding probability values for the words is shown. Thank you.